customer that he came back. So that's how we understand.
If you call innocent customer this time, I think I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say.
How many banks you see the
Try to understand, please. This matter is still under investigation. We have not received any direction from RBI in the matter, but they are our regulator. Whatever direction they will give, we will definitely inform you.
Have you been questioned by the CBI today?
I am a complainant. I am going myself to support my case.
How many banks are involved? How many banks are there?
I would not like to give you the most technical detail that I told you in the beginning for the simple reason. Till everything is freezed and properly investigated, please help us and bear with us. We are confident. We are confident. It won't. The quantum has. We have done our homework. Quantum has already been put in this CBI SEBI site also. That is the maximum involvement we could find so far. We have scanned all our branches also. So there is this is a standalone case in one of our branches. We have got such one of our branches, and we have scanned other branches also. There is nothing else of such.
Can you confirm whether ED has raided the branch concerned today?
Well, reports are yet to receive to me, and I think maybe we are just whatever I'm listening is listening from the media only. Reports.
I think two questions, two last questions, please.
And for the government bailout, sir, has the government reached out to the government for a bailout?
Actually, let me tell you one thing. The one question about recovery. So we have already initiated the process. The ED is also seizing the properties, seizing the current assets, and we hope a good amount will be able to recover. We are already in the mode of recovering, and we are trying to protect the financial interest of all the lenders.
Sir, is the main accused, has he come before you since 25th of January, and is he in the country?
He has not come to us personally. We have requested him to come personally to come and give us a written plan that how the way is going to make out.
When did you ask for a repayment plan from him?
Repayment plan, he gave us a formal message and we said, okay, you come out with a plan. And
When was this?
it was recently.
After the FIR.
सर ये पूरी मोडस ऑपरेंडी ठीक है तो ये बता सकते
It's a technicalities. These are technicalities. Let the investigation agency do their job. There may be a lot of clues which are still not available.
Sir, Allahabad Bank chief has already said in a public statement that PNB is the only bank which is liable to pay his money and not the client.
Sir, I'm not able to understand one
I have nothing to comment on the statement of others.
I'm not able to understand one thing, sir. You are saying that you negotiated with the prime accused after filing a complaint.
No, not negotiated. Not negotiated.
I mean, you had a...
They said, I want to come back and pay you the amount. I said, welcome. Because anybody, it's a funny... Yes.
From abroad, he said he wanted
Not called. Not called. They mailed. They mailed and we said, you come back with the plan.
Why are you classifying the amount of 11,400
Yes.
crore as a contingent liability? Why are you classifying the amount of 11,400 crore as a contingent liability?
Contingent liability because LOU has not been converted into funded transactions so far. So it is a contingent liability, but contingent liability is not an important issue because this matter we will decide based after the completing the investigations.
The CBI is contingent liability when you didn't even know that these LOUs were issued, right? So how can the transaction be recorded? The odd is that LOUs were issued without the consent of the bank, right? So how can you say it has been recorded in your books? It was never recorded in your books.
That's what I'm telling. That's what I'm
It can
telling.
never be a contingent liability.
It will be only if the investigation process say it is your liability, we'll accept it.
So sir, how much money has gone out of the bank? How much
Nothing has gone out.
has gone out of the bank?
And is this amount likely to increase?
No, I don't think so. I don't think so, but then let the investigation be completed.
One second, let me finish saying what he's saying, yeah.
Yes, I think I've given you all the details, and please bear with us till we complete the entire process.
How much is how many loans are involved?
Is there further exposure that you have to the FIR, including some people who are MDs of other entities. How much would be the total exposure apart from the LOU?
The total exposure, I don't have data right now, but then we have credit exposures in these two groups also.
So how much would that be, sir?
Credit exposure, our bank's credit exposure. Our bank credit exposure to these groups will be roughly 700, 1,700.
Roughly 1,000.
Exposure to whom?
These two groups.
Nirav Modi and Gitanjali.
They are already.
You can add it. I'll reserve it till the investigation is complete.
Sir, now are you hopeful with the negotiation you have had on the email exchange?
We did not have any negotiation. Please understand.
Your conversation.
They sent an email. We said you come out with a plan. We'll listen. That's all.
And you are confident that some plan will come in terms of thing, or are you?
It depends upon their response. No? It depends upon their response.
I think we are through. Anybody? Last question. Last question.
Yes, the government of India is seized with the situation. They are monitoring on day-to-day basis, and we are getting the full support in booking the culprits.
So was there any security given by these two companies because of the extension that was given of 11,400 crores? It's the biggest scam in the history of banking in the last 1 decade.
You are fully aware. It's a recent incident which is still under investigation, and
Was there any security given by
not.
Was there any security given, sir?
For this, no security is given.
Sir, what kind of vague offers? You said that you have not accepted the vague offers from Nirav Modi. What were the vague offers which are given by them?
I think it's a subject matter which has got a lot of legal implications. So I would like to reserve it post investigation.
So what is the government's view so far, sir, on this matter? Is the finance minister directed you anything that you should be doing?
I think the finance ministry is very seized with the situation. They are coming on heavily in support of the booking to the culprits, and they are strongly pursuing the clean banking agenda, and we are executing it in our letter and spirit.
Allahabad Bank or Axis Bank के अलावा कोई और बैंक
Sorry, I can't answer any more technical questions. Thank you.